everyone, it's luminouszane. Don't ask why I'm in the bin. Today I am going to be playing Airplane Story, but it's the second one. I've played the first one on this channel. But anyways, let's just get into this. Let's go with these people. I wonder if this plane has really nice snacks. That'd be good. Right, looks like we're going in. Gonna be a double upload today. Hopefully my camera doesn't crash, because that would be really annoying. And I hate it when my camera crashes, right when I'm trying to record something for YouTube. Anyways, I hope you guys like my new outfit. Yeah. I don't think anyone really cares. Let me in! Just me smashing the screen. Hello everyone, welcome back. Editor, play some background music. My name is Kelly. I will be your pilot in this flight. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Ooh. Well, it looks like a plane to me, honestly. What is this, a car? Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 presidential aircraft. You're talking about the 199, 911? You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. Well, I was the one who kind of saved the airplane, not gonna lie. And I was not with these people last time. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, we saved the day, and that's the reason we're here for. Well, I know how the captain kind of went unconscious, so alright, enough chatting. Okay? Please find a seat that has a golden label with your name on it. Okay, as we're about to cross an area of high turbulence. What the door? Oh. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying those two little memes I posted not too long ago. They're about orange caramel and yeah. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! We just went scenic out of here. Did we just do a barrel roll? No, we just went scenic. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay. Okay. I've been informed a president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Okay. Oh, let me out. Please find him there for further instructions. Alright then. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, it's the people. It's them. Among Us. And remember, no one should know about this. Not about what? Let me in! Did anyone else see that? No? I wasn't paying attention, I was slapping my screen. Woof! He's opened the door on him! Welcome to the presidential airplane. I'm in the air, boys. And congratulations for what you have done. Your country is grateful. Okay. Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions. Okay, I don't really care because I'm a gangster. I wonder when I'm gonna get some LED merch. That'd be pretty cool. For what, Roblox. No one would really buy it because no one likes me. The president is getting ready. He'll meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. My tongue will think goodbye. But there is something you must know before that. The president is very special. Okay? He gets mad very easy. Oh yeah, that happens to me too when my brothers annoy me. Please do everything we say and do not cause any trouble in the airplane. Oh my gosh. That's all. Okay, I'm gonna break the code of conduct. Yeah. Whoa. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Was that me? Oh wait, no, that wasn't me. Oh, I'm breaking the code of conduct. Look at this mess. The president's gonna be so mad. It's just water. Calm down, man. Well, water didn't murder anybody. Please find something to clean this mess. Anyways, back from the commercial break. Let's just clean this up. Watch out. I'm armed! Cleaning. Mining away. Great, it's clean. Please don't let that happen again. Okay. They're still walking. The president is ready now. Please follow me to the dining room. Okay. Through the door. Anyways, here we are. The dining room. Among Us. Oh my gosh, it's Donald Trump! I'm gonna jump on your head! Build that brick wall! Huh? Wait, what? Among Us. I'm sorry. It's the habit. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. We're in the freaking air. My name is Ronald. I'm the president of the Roblox States. No, you're the army of the government. Oh my gosh, door! You must know that you're the heroes. You're the League of Heroes for this nation. Okay. Okay. We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Okay, well, we beat TFO's final game. That's good. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. You interrupted him? Why? The food's not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. Oh no. What? Throw that chef off this plane. Ugh. Oh, I wasn't joking when this guy's... We'll take care of him, Mr. President. Don't pick me to be a cook, please. I suck at cooking. Please don't. Half you! Blah, 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 blah. You look like a great chef. I can't read his name. I can't. Oh, nobody. But, Mr. President, I've never cooked before. I've actually cooked before, and it's hard. I made some pretty good cookies. Well, you better learn quick, or else I'm throwing you off this plane too. Oh, no. Oh, no, buddy. Good luck, brother. I can't read that name. I will tell you the ingredients and you have to find them and drop them into the soup pot before the time runs out. Editor, play some Mission Impossible music. If you grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash can. But be quick. Are you ready? I'm the cook. He said the... Anyways, the soup needs apple. Apple in a soup? What? That seems gross. Come on, buddy. You got this. We don't want to see you die. Chuck it in the leaky soup pot. There we go. The soup needs banana. Is this a... What? Who puts apple and soup in a banana? Who puts apple in soup? What? Anyways, we're back from commercial break, and the soup needs potato. There we go. There we go. We need 100 kilo potatoes. Perfect. The soup needs pepper. Bro, I tried to do a recording of this with my brother one time, and I got to be the chef. I did not know where the pepper was. Food is ready. Yes. Yes. Give me my Starbucks coffee now. Give me my coffee. I want my coffee right now. Gimme. Oh, it actually looks delicious. Not gonna lie. It looks delicious. Everyone take a seat. Let me sit down. Not gonna lie, that looks pretty good. I'd eat that. Door, be quiet. Sorry guys, that's just my door. It's being annoying. Everyone sit down, otherwise the president's gonna slap you. Enjoy. Okay. Bang, 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 bang. Nom, 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 nom. Man, this soup, this is delicious. Yeah, but where's my coffee though? I didn't get my coffee. Oh, come on. I need my caffeine. Give me my sass for real. I want my coffee right now. I want it. We hope you enjoyed the soup. About my coffee. The president had to leave early. Why? He should be meeting you again at the presidential suite. Alright, let me out. Ah! Oh my gosh! There's an invisible collision! Help! Someone get the makeup pen! Help me! Oh, there we go. Someone deleted it. Someone had the makeup pen on them. Okay, oh, looks like we're in the computer. Oh, this is where I play Minecraft. Okay, let's be a hacker. Welcome to the computer room. Oh, this is where I play my games. We use this room to protect any cybernetic attack to our systems. Okay. The president is waiting in the presidential suite. Wait, did you just lock him in there? Oh my god, he's been locked in there! Someone get the makeup pen! In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. So wait, you just locked him in there? Now you must try to figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. Okay, I guess it's pink. Okay. Spam it. Spam email. I'll do this side, guys. Don't worry about it. Boom. It's all done. No, it's not yet. There we go. Easy. Whoa. We really need to work on that code. Oh my gosh! Oh my bro! We saved you! You were locked in here! Meet with the president in the next room. Is there a secret forbidden one in here? Are you the forbidden one? Okay, I'm kidding. But the forbidden one's not in the rec room. Wait, rec room? What am I talking about? Hello again. Sorry I had to leave early. Yeah, okay. Just work on your plots, man. I had to, get everything ready. Yeah. Look at this guy's goofy haircut. Anyways, as our special guest, I will let you sleep in my presidential bedroom. Okay. For some reason, I can't find the keys. Oh wow, what a clumsy Donald Trump. Come on, Bacons, let's do this. Can you look? I found keys. Look, I found the keys. Great. Let's open the door then. Bro, who did your hair? Whoever did, I need to have a serious word with them. Wait a minute. It's just one bed. How on earth are we all meant to sleep in here? This is where you will be spending the night. I hope there's room for everyone. It's a double bed. It's not even a king-size bed, man. I'll give you guys time to get comfy. Well, one of us is gonna have to sleep on the floor. Okay? One of us is gonna have to sleep on the floor. Among us. Among us. Let me look out the window. Oh! Hey, look, Kelly's over there. Hey, Kelly. Stop jumping on the bed. We're gonna get kicked out. Among us. There's no music in this, so I'm just gonna be playing some like background music. It's nighttime already. Yeah, it looks like I'm sleeping on the floor, man. Oh, great. I can't sleep. There's something about this plane, about this flight that scares me. Is the forbidden one on this flight? Because if he is, I'm gonna go kick his butt. Guys? The curtain! Huh? TFO, is that you? Hello? TFO, where are you? Are you meant to be in the forbidden gate right now? You're meant to be in the... Oh, no. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hello? Oh no. It's the monster. Not again. No. Oh, great. You gonna... Did you forget about me so early? No? Oh gosh! Fire! We need to run! Let me out! Get the makeup! Run away! Oh my gosh! Ah! Run, guys! Oh my gosh! It's coming to get us! Guys, run! Oh my gosh! No, oh my god! No! No! You smell like cheese! You're gonna eat our toes, guys! Run! Oh my gosh! Where's the door? Ah! Oh, I made it. I'm gonna stand up. You guys can just stay the heck back and we can all live happy lives. Okay, I'm just gonna stay up here. Is it gone? Hello? Oh no, some people got hurt a little bit. Oh no, Fortuna is about to die. Look at his health bar. Are we safe now? I don't know. Are we? No one hides from the wall. The floor! Ah! Get onto me quick! Oh, I'm the last one! Oh no, everyone's dead! Oh no! 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 Don't kill me, please! You smell like cheese! Did I die? Hello? Did I die? Oh, the fire's gone. What is happening? I'm gonna head back up there. I'm staying up here. Staying up here right here. The fire's gone. What is happening? Phone! Guys, the phone is ringing. We should pick it up. Give me the phone. Hello? Who's there? Hey guys. I'm glad you picked up. Oh, phew. Something terrible is happening on this plane. Oh no. You don't say. Well yeah, we just got hunted down by a bunch of fire. I can't tell you much for the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. Okay? Is it safe? Can I just stand here? The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Okay? Is that goofier looking TFO gone? Get close. Get closer while I do that, but be careful. The monster might still be around. Ooh, salami. Oh, Doritos. I need some chili wave Doritos right now. I'm scared. Hello? Hello? You will not escape this time. Come beat my cockhole. Oh no! Don't let him catch you! Oh no, he's gonna be after me because it's just me. Ah! Just run around. Just 2 bits. No! Oh, he's right behind me! You smell like cheese! No! President, run! Just run around. Editor, play some Mission Impossible music. I just glitched. No, stay away. Run in circles. You smell like cheese. Just gonna run around in circles. Run. Oh. You will never catch me alive. I'm not going in the cage. Goodbye. Oh my gosh. Stay away from me. No. Where'd he go? Oh my god, he's right there. How am I not taking damage? Run. Get here. Go over here. Let me in. The door's open. Let me in. I'm gonna die out here. You smell like cheese. Oh, I've never screamed so much in my life apart from that one roasting video. Ow. Okay, I survived. Great. LZ is in. Yeah, it's just me here. What is going on? Whew. I saw that monster again. He's from Rec Room. Did he follow us here? It didn't follow you here. It made you come here. What do you mean? Again. What do you mean? I knew there was something wrong here. Someone's up. It's like that one roomie stream. The good news is, I'm not just a pilot. Oh, what are you? Are you like Rec Room Death? I'm also a secret agent, and I know a lot about this monster. Okay? Mongash. He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. Oh, that sucks. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. Why not? And there was something about planes. Oh, he's kind of like me. He was always so obsessed with planes. In a scary way. Okay? He liked to read news about plane crashes. Huh. Oh gosh. So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Oh, luckily he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. Ooh. His spirit still chases people like you because he blames you for his death. I wasn't even there. I probably wasn't even alive then. Now that you know the story about the monster, you must know he can take any shape. He could be any agent or even the president, but I'm not sure yet. Huh. Take this gun. Ooh, pew pew gun. Take this gun, okay. Okay, give me the gun. Give me the Glock 18. You only have one chance. Discover him and kill him. Okay, give me the gun then. Gimme. I'll stand on it. So who's taking a shot? I'll do it because it's just me here. Take, gimme. Give me the pew pew gun. I will do it. Yeah, because it's just really much me here. Alright. Good luck. Good luck, luminouszane. Not gonna lie. The president was always a little bit sus to me. There you are. We've been looking for you. I have a Glock 18. It's over. We've discovered you, monster. Yeah. I have a Glock 18. Wait, put that gun down. What are you doing? You know that guy's frown? Never really liked it. I know about the plan to kill me. Well, I know one of you is the monster. Just need to find out who. You're making a huge mistake. We're not monsters. I don't trust you! It's the agent. He's suspicious. Get out on, brother. Give me pew. Pew! Bang! Right there, brother. Yes! Once again. Win, chicken, win. Ah! What is that? What is that? It's your mom. It's the monster. Mr. President. He's sussy. It's been haunting me since the first trip. Everyone else kind of died of fire. It tried to take advantage of the trip to kill me. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. Congratulations, passenger. You saved the day once again. Yes. That was so scary. I want to go home. Let's go home. At least it's finally gone now. Finally gone. Oh, it blinked. I don't like that. Yes, hit it right there, brother. We win. Oh, I win because everyone else died of fire. But oh well. Whew. That was stressful. What a stressful recording. Welp, I got the good ending. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sorry about the lack of Roblox uploads lately, but I'm glad I could finally get back to you guys with a nice, simple recording. Also, are you interested in winning yourself a Saint Bernard for Adopt Me? Well, say no more. If you want to win a Saint Bernard, make sure to like the video you're watching, subscribe to the channel, and comment your Roblox username down below. So I can tell all my winners are announced on Twitter. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My name's luminouszane, and I'm signing off. I'll see you next time.